3 fingers below your navel, touch there, and just relax. Just focus on that one spot and relax your arm. All right, now, we cannot pick you up.
Then he go, wait a minute. Straighten your arm around.
Yeah, you're gonna try to pull them apart, and she's gonna try to pull them in. Feel that strength come right back? As soon as you stroke away from the heart, strength goes away. All right, so now, the person fix the front shoulder. All right, from the front shoulder, raise up and cross over. A lot of us, when person start choking us, what we do is, we grab their hands. Right. So you're helping them choke you, because you're really doing nothing. And where we learn that from?
TV.
Yes, thank you. The music come on. All right, no, don't, you're fighting the arm. So if the person got a strong arm, forearm, you're trying to push the arm down, it might not go. Because remember, my fingers are wrapped around the back of your neck. So you're going to bring the arm up and bring it down. You don't care about pushing my arm down. Just want to break the grip so I can quit choking. No, you're still trying to fight. Bring the arm all the way up. No? There you go. So you're going to break this here, I'll reach you. Right? Yeah. All right. Come in, choke. How's your game?
Oh shit!
All right, you take that person off you right away. So I didn't touch you yet. You ready? You ready?
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
You gotta do it. All right, come on. All right, good.
Turn my body.
That person at all right? Flow is pretty hard. Just gonna grab over top and turn it up and just put your hands on top. That's all in that position. You just put the unbendable arm over there. They cannot come back. All right? You got that look of skepticism. Come over. Now, here. Now, straighten that arm out.
Okay.
All right, and you cannot. So if I bow, she gonna go down to the floor, automatically. All right. I ain't say do it for real. Do it. Hurry up! Now stand up. Sit down. It don't take much to make a person go down. There you go. No, get away. You got it. You can't dance. Fingers in the palm. Her fingers go back in her palm. Turn the hand up. Put your finger right over top. That's it. Try to stand up straight.
But that's what I'm trying to push them doing. Right. Good one.
All right. That's what we want to have.
You gotta keep it. You gonna push them down.
Then I'm going like that.
You ain't doing palm in the hand. You gonna grab it with this hand.
All right.
Okay.
When you spraying a person, all you gotta do is wait for them to blink, and you'll see a difference right away. But if they hold their eyes open, that's what we train policemen now. If you spray, you think you got something on you, hold your eyes open to your safe point of that situation, which means you might be handcuffed or whatever, and then you can let your eyes go, let your hand go, take your eyes out your hand.